Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will visit our vegetables here in the garden. Hey Maura, how are you today? So we have the squash are growing. We got heavy rain yesterday, very heavy, and the corn, the okra. Oh, look at the okra. They get plenty dirty because, as I have said, we had a very heavy rain yesterday, and this portion here where we started our garden actually is it's how do you call that, flooded area, and we just realized it when we started already here. Hey Maura, say hi to my video. Maura, 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 Maura. No. Chirin. Lulu is over there. He's busy with the goat. She's always trying to be friend with the goat. So go back to our okra. Ooh, dirty okra. But fortunately the flood. Fortunately, this part also of the garden, the soil here absorbed the water very fast, so it can be flooded in a few minutes, but also after that, if the rain stop, the water is also absorbed by the soil. But it's really dirty. Look at the okra. Oh, hi Lulu. Hey Lulu. Say hi Lulu. Say no, that Lulu always likes to kiss me on the face. And some okra. Look at that dirty okra. Yes. And also over there, oh, our tomatoes, they have plenty fruits now because of the heavy rain. Look at that. Tomatoes over there. But also the stem of the tomatoes are very, very dirty also. Look at that. But they get plenty fruits. And we have here the bigger tomatoes. Soon they will be ripe now. Look at that. It's so nice. Ooh, nice. I hope there will be no insects. And the smaller tomato has also some fruits. Lulu, what are you doing there? Over there is, oh yes, that's the bagu beans. And some long beans here. I don't know why they are not crawling. I mean, they're not climbing on the stick. I think they are a different kind of long beans. Maybe they are not vine. But look at that. It's very dirty, full of dirt because of the flood last day. Oh, but we are not here yesterday because my husband settled some things in the house in Tagbilaran City, and also we bought some groceries also. Now it's very surprising what a heavy rain. Actually, in fact, in Tagbilaran also we get heavy rain, very heavy rain for the entire day and for the whole night. So look at that. The weather forecast actually said that it's a all over Bohol that experienced the big thunderstorm yesterday. So, oh, the poor beans. Let's try to clean them, but dirty. But I hope there are no damage. Lulu! Shh, Lulu! Lulu! We need to get the attention of Lulu because she's trying not to go closer to the goat. And um, the other day she really bite the goat on the neck. Fortunately, the teeth don't go deep. That's why now it's not we can't, how do you call that, we can't let her stay closer to the goat. But we also put during the night we put the goat on inside their goat pen, but on the Shh, Lulu, but during daytime we put the rope again, and so they can stay outside and they can eat the grasses outside. My husband is over there. He's bringing the rake. I don't know what's the plan for today, but sure, like every day, if we are here in the farm, it's always a busy day for us. So that's the beans, and let's visit the cucumbers. How are you, cucumbers? They are always in flowers. Actually, I harvested already some cucumbers and we eat the other day, but they're not too good. They're not too good because especially if I don't put them in plastic, so there are plenty insects making a hole. Look at that. Oh, I caught you, insect. Oh, so bad cucumber, but sometimes we give the, oh, look at that terrible insect. They make a hole to the cucumber. But if it's higher, sometimes the insect don't eat them. But like this one, it's very low. It's almost in the soil, so that's why it's plenty insects. But they are in flowers, so, and the eggplants are still giving some vegetables. But actually, it's been, I don't know how many times now we harvested, not a big harvest, but sometimes we can really eat. Over there, it's the corn, and then up here again. Maura, come here na. And so our goats is there. Our goats are there eating. They are eating. They like to eat short grasses. Hey goat. Hey goat. Hey. And the bigger goat, the mother goat. We bought them 3,000 pesos each from Kuya Edgar. Cheering. Hi goat. And Lulu is over there. And Mara. So go back to the house, to the small house, and I will try to find something to do na. Because actually there are a lot of things to do. Stay, Lou, out! Don't go inside. So where's my husband? I think he's trying to clean the goat pen because we gave them a lot of napier for their food yesterday because, as I have said, we were not here yesterday. Hey Mara, what are you doing? Rolling? So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and please always watch my video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.